Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lummel. Have a pretty good trade here. It's a very highly rated trade called Deuterium pattern. This is on NVDA, and excellent pattern quality in this setup. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Now, what makes this pattern so powerful is the way the price squeeze is set up. This is a huge breakout from the 2022 lows, 900%, 9 BMI, vector of 2. And you can see pulling back in the cup, get a TD4 cycle, 10 to 13 day cycle. Set the lows right here on an X channel, basically a X extension of basically when you have a channel set and you copy the line and you double it, basically it's an X channel, and so it hit that X channel right there. And then the next cycle, the TD9 cycle, had a higher low, so basically a price squeeze is coming in. You can see right here it was basically trying to test that $100 psychological price point, popped off it, came back, retested, and then headed back up. So what you have right now is the first off the set right here again, TD9 2.5 month cycle, and so once it got outside of that cycle line, you got a TM3. It's a 5 to 7 cycle up here, and then on a pullback you get a TD3, a 5 to 7 plus right there, about that, and you get a price squeeze coming in right now. If it holds right here, you have a price squeeze intact from the two internal cycles. Now this one is right at the $150 PPP. You can see right here where it just tagged it, pulled back, again double bottom, potential price squeeze coming in on it. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkunatradingclub.club/lingo. Now going back to the origins of this super cycle, where it started on this breakout, again this is late 2022, and you can see right here 0.75 BMI breakout, 75% gain coming out of this Ichimoku cloud, and the settings are basically double the default settings on it. So when you get the cloud cross at that point and you wait for the pullback to below it, you got a really good entry on that TD3 cycle, basically a breakout of about an H5 5-bar high right there. And so really nice run for the next couple years to set that high pivot, but we actually have a really good setup inside of the cup. This is a cycle based cup. Normally cup and handle patterns are straight across, but cycle based cup and handles can be higher highs on the right hand side of the pattern, and that's what we have on the TM3 cycle. So a little TD3 cycle squeeze on the pullback, may get back to the cloud, may not. Looking like it's going to potentially stop right here in this pullback. Looking pretty strong right here, and excellent pattern quality as far as targets on it. I can definitely see 50% potentially coming out of this to the $200 plus area. Momentum again is crazy, even on the left hand side of this. Let's look at that BMI right there. 190%. Despite that 190% gain, you get a high TM3 cycle. That's incredibly strong. So you always look for the price squeeze on the pullback. We're getting it here, and if we can get outside of these 3-day high right here, basically in the pullback, could be good to go. NVIDIA Corporation, NVDA, looks great. If you're interested in our trading style, want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.